I'm going to show you how to factory reset these SHOKZ OpenDots 1 earbuds. A factory reset can help issues if you have problems pairing or connecting. Maybe you can't put it into pairing mode. Maybe one of the earbuds is not working. Maybe it keeps disconnecting every so often. Maybe it's out of sync and so on. Anyway, a factory reset is very simple, okay? So just look on the back here. Note that you have that little reset button right there. So what we want to do is to factory reset these, we're going to open this up, make sure the buds are in the case, and then we're going to press and hold this button. Keep holding until the light here blinks orange, 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 okay? It's going to take about 20 seconds or so, okay? So button here, let's do it together. Ready? Press and hold. Keep holding now. Don't let go. Keep holding. It's blinking green, orange, but we want orange, 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 so continue to hold. Still holding. Wait. Orange, orange, orange. Okay, there you go. Now it's blinking orange. Now the factory reset is taking place. Once it's done, it's going to go into pairing mode, which is indicated by orange, green, orange, green. So the factory reset is complete, okay? Now, the thing is before I did the factory reset, I was currently connected to my iPhone, okay? So if I want to connect back to my iPhone or any other phone or your TV or computer, you have to go back. If you want to connect back to the same device, you have to go to your Bluetooth settings and delete it, these earbuds off the pairing list, okay? So let me go to settings here. I'm gonna go to Bluetooth, and then let me scroll down, and you can see the opens here, SHOKZ. It was paired to this phone here, so if I want to connect back to this phone, let me click on the I for information or the settings, and I'm gonna forget this device. If you're on like an Android phone, it'd be like unpair. So let's forget this, basically delete it off of there. Okay, now I should be able to connect back. It's still in the pairing mode. I see that little spinning thing there. It's searching for devices that's in pairing mode near me, and it should show up here. But let me just rescan everything. Let me turn off Bluetooth, and I'm gonna turn it back on. And now let's give it a moment, see if that finds it now. So it's still in the pairing mode. What do you know? There it is right there. Let's tap on that. And voila, we are connected, ready to go. Pretty simple. Questions or issues? Comment below.